one of those days. Feels like you're drifting away. It's just one of those days. Feels like you're falling with the rain. It's just one of those days.
Good morning guys, it is Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a little productive vlog of my life. I have a lot of things going on, so I thought it would be fun to vlog. To start off this video, I just have to quickly get ready and do my makeup and my hair because I have a meeting, and then I actually want to run and go try the new summer refresher that came out. I wasn't going to try it, but I honestly saw so many videos about it and I am now very curious to see what it tastes like. So I'm gonna go try it and see what everyone's talking about. Honestly, lately I've been feeling like I just have so much to do and not enough time to do it. So I've been trying to make more time to do the things that I need to do, but also the things that I want to do, because I have learned recently that it is all about balance and I'm trying to get a lot better at that. I say all the time that I do better in a routine, and that is so true, but I think it's also really important to make time in the routine for things that I do want to do. So I'm just trying to incorporate more of that into my life. Today I'm actually having a sleepover with one of my best friends at my apartment, and I think we're gonna cook dinner together and just have a little girls' night, so I'm excited for that. Right now I'm at my boyfriend's house and I'm gonna do my meeting here, and then we're gonna run and go get the refreshers because I am so excited. I'm also trying to decide what I want to cook for dinner with my friend because I honestly have the slightest idea of what we should cook. And also, I am not going to lie, I'm awful at cooking. When it comes to baking, I feel like I'm very good at it. When it comes to cooking, I literally have no idea what I'm doing. The one thing I do like that I make is chicken cutlets, but other than that, no. But that's okay because my boyfriend is a really good cook. My friends are really good cooks. I like my mom's food. I like my boyfriend's mom's food. So it's okay. I have a lot of people that I can learn from. Right now, we're just not there, and that's okay. I've been trying to do a little bit more blush because I've been loving the blush effect. That is not what it's called at all, but I love when I have more of like a rosy cheek look. So I've been trying to use a little bit more blush, but I don't know if I have the right shade, honestly, because I feel like when I use too much blush, which would be a little bit more, if that makes sense, it looks like too much. But I don't know, maybe that's just me. Let me know what you guys think. But I'm doing just some makeup because I do have to be on camera for this interview, and I'm a little nervous. Normally I don't have to be on camera when I do like meetings and stuff for my corporate job. This actually isn't for my job, but just like comparing the two, I usually don't have to be on camera. So with my corporate job, when I'm like presenting and stuff like that, I'm not as nervous just because I'm not looking at anyone, if that makes sense. I'm kind of just talking to a screen because I can't see anyone, and I don't know why, but it just makes me feel a little bit better. But today I have to be on camera and I'm nervous. Obviously I have done it before. It's not like anything new for me, but I feel like every single time when I do it, no matter how much I have done it, I always get nervous, and that's very normal. I just get in my head a lot, and I know I shouldn't do that. Of course, naturally I'm running late, which honestly is not a surprise. I also really need to get my eyebrows done. I have been saying that in so many videos. I feel like I just keep putting it off, but it's getting to the point where I can't just keep plucking them and I need to get them done. So I want to make an appointment for that today, because if I don't make the appointment, I will literally never make it. So I'm just gonna force myself to make the appointment. I really have to hurry this up. I am taking way too long, and I have like 10 minutes before I have to be online, and my hair looks insane. I wanted to curl it, but I honestly don't know if I'm gonna have time, so I might just have to put it in a slick back. I'm going to try my absolute best to curl my hair. Hopefully I can do this really fast. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to, but I'll update you guys after my meeting. Meeting is done. It went well. My hair actually has a lot of volume right now, and the curls actually stayed really nice. I think I may have figured out how to master this routine. Now we are going to go try these refreshers because I cannot wait, and I'm so excited. There it is. I'm excited. It looks pretty good, but I'm nervous because I've heard mixed reviews about it.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Hi, can I do the strawberry berry Starbucks refresher? Can I do a tall?
Did you want that with water or lemonade?
I'll do one with water, and can I do one with lemonade?
Anything else?
Yeah, and then can I just do a tall strawberry acai refresher with lemonade, but can I do no berries and very light ice?
All right, I'll see you at the window.
Thank you. I just ordered and I'm kind of nervous, so I got one with water and one with lemonade. Like I said, I've heard very mixed reviews, and I've heard that the one with lemonade I think is better, but I'm not positive, so I'm just gonna try for myself and see. I also really need to get a tripod because I broke mine a very long time ago. Well, I didn't really break it. It fell off my window and I just have haven't put it back up. I have a bigger camera. My camera won't fit in between the length of the window and the actual tripod. My hair is staying, and I'm very proud of myself because it normally does not hold a curl for more than 1 second, and I feel like we're making really good progress. What I did was I left my hair to be a day dirty. I hairsprayed it in the beginning. My boyfriend's cousin, she did my hair for, there's a spider in my car. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Freaking out, freaking out, freaking out. I don't know where it went. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna tell myself I got it because if I don't, I will freak out. I'm gonna start crying. Anyways, like I was saying, my boyfriend's cousin taught me that when you curl your hair, you're supposed to hairspray it first, then curl it and hairspray it again. And let me tell you, she's a genius for that. Ever since that, when she curled my hair, it held the whole entire day. I was so surprised. They looked beautiful. She's also amazing at doing hair, but I was so surprised that my hair was able to hold it when it never does. And I just tried it again and it's holding it. So shout out to her because that was an amazing tip. This spider is really freaking me out. I got the drinks. First of all, this is so summery. I love the colors. They have the little boba on the bottom, which I honestly have never tried before, and I'm kind of scared to try it, but we're going to. And then this is what the other one looks like. This is the one with lemonade, I believe. I want to try the one without lemonade first. I'm really confused because they gave me the boba straws, but they didn't give me the right lid, which it's fine. I'm just a little confused on how the straw is supposed to fit in here, so I guess I'll take the lid off. I'm like kind of scared. It smells promising. It smells like sugary. Let's give this a try. This is the one with water. It's very fruity. It's a little watered down. It's not too sweet. It's not my favorite. It kind of reminds me of a watered down Jolly Rancher. I'm gonna try the other one now. I hope this one tastes better. Oh, this one tastes a lot better. I still don't know if I love it. This one is definitely better. This one's a lot sweeter. Personally, I really like sweet drinks, so that's why I think I like this. This tastes more like a blue Airhead or a blue piece of candy, like blueberry flavor, but it's more like a refreshing type of candy, if that makes sense. This one is not bad. Would I drink it again? Probably not. Can I finish this one? Yes. Do I prefer my strawberry acai over them? Yes. There's just something about this one that I'm obsessed with. The color is very pretty, I will give it that. I would rate it like probably this one a 7 out of 10 and this one like a 3 out of 10. I really don't like this one. I'm gonna give one of them to my friend because I'm going to Target with my friend right now and I will finish the other one a little bit later. But overall, like I said, not bad, just not my cup of tea. I'm gonna go to Target now. I have a basket that I'm making my boyfriend's mom and my mom for Mother's Day, and that is in a few days from when I'm filming this video. So I need to go to Target and just finish up making that basket. I want to look for some stuff. If you watch my other vlog, I went to Target for a shell pillow. I wanted to get some summer stuff and a candle, and I forgot my gift card. I have the gift card now, so I'm gonna get that stuff, and then I'm also going to get the Mother's Day stuff to make the basket. We're gonna go to Target and we are going to shop for Mother's Day gifts and also summer decor for my apartment and some candles as well. I just got out of Target and I got some really cute things. The one thing I will say is it was so hot in there for some reason. But anyways, the first thing I got is for my boyfriend's mom. She loves coffee, so I figured she could use this in the morning, and it just says Te amo, which means I love you. The next thing I got is this little cookie, and it just says best mom ever. Personally, I love these cookies. I think they're so good. I know a lot of people disagree with me, but I love them. The next thing I got is actually for my dad. This is for him to give my mom. Then I got my boyfriend's mom a $25 Starbucks gift card because she loves coffee and that's her favorite. And I also got her some Reese's because this is her favorite as well. I got this little bow to put on the basket I'm making my boyfriend's mom, and then I also got this floaty because they have a pool and I know she likes these, and the one that we had last year popped, so I got her a new sparkly one that I know she's gonna like. And then I got this to fill the basket. I had to abruptly stop filming because I had to move my car, but the reason why I got so much stuff for my boyfriend's mom and I didn't really show a lot that I got my mom is because I don't want her to see this video, and she does watch all my videos, and also me and my dad and my brother did something a little different for my mom that she's going to like, and I don't want to spoil it. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there that I of course did get my mom stuff as well. I just don't want to spoil it, and I don't want her surprise to be ruined, so that's why I'm not showing all of that. But I'm actually at the food store right now. I have to get some stuff that me and Madison are going to make later because, like I said, I'm having a sleepover. So I am going to look for some of the stuff that we are going to need to make all of it. Got home, I am making some lunch, but in the meantime, while that is cooking, I'm going to put together the basket. So this basket is from TJ Maxx. The only other things I got, which are from TJ Maxx, is this little notebook, and then I also got this big candle. This is an amber and saffron candle, and it smells so clean. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna put this basket together really quick, and hopefully it looks cute.
I think there's another universe where I haven't yet felt pain, and maybe in that other universe.
So this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty cute, but I do feel like some things are missing. So I might go to TJ Maxx and just get a few more things. And then eventually I'm gonna get a balloon and then put this on top as well, and it'll look really cute. But I think the overall base of the gift looks cute. We're at my apartment now. We're making penne vodka for dinner. And we picked up these Jell-O things from the liquor store, and we're gonna try them. Also, I have a very funny story about my Mother's Day gift. Is it bad? We also got strawberry daiquiri mix, so we're gonna make this with Tito's, and hopefully that tastes better. Now we're gonna cook dinner. So I'm not sure what occurred, but this is the K I was referring to, the flowers that I got that are the forever roses. I didn't expect it to be that small. It was supposed to be next to the basket. That was my whole vision. So I just placed another order for some more. It is nice, but it just wasn't my vision. I still think she'll really like it, but I needed a little bit more flowers just to make the whole gift come together. And I thought it was so funny when I opened it. I was like, this cannot be real. I wanted a huge K. Madison is doing the garlic, and I just made a strawberry daiquiri. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but we're gonna try. Also, this blender cup thing is so cute. It's like a little mason jar. You can literally drink out of this if you wanted to. I've never used that blender before, so it scared me, but I actually love it. So Madison burned the onions. Thank gosh we have more onions and garlic, but my whole apartment is very smoky and we can't open the door. So that's the update as of today. Not going well, and my blinds are broken. So we're not doing well right now. It's very hectic in here.
Please put that in there.
So after Madison's burning of the onions,
We didn't have the right ingredients or the right amount left, so I tried.
it doesn't look the best. I haven't tried it yet. Madison said it's awful. I'm gonna try it. Wait, I'm kind of scared.
To be honest, please, it's really bad.
I'm scared.
Admit it.
Should I not do this much?
No, do that much.
I'm really salty.
It's bad.
It's not bad. Wait, why is there so much salt?
There's no salt.
I taste pure salt.
Did we not mix it? We blended it.
You said to me in the beginning, I said, should I salt the water? You said, no, I put a lot of salt in the sauce.
No, not salt. I put,
Garlic salt.
yeah.
That's the same
No,
thing.
not garlic salt, onion salt.
Okay, it's still salt.
Yeah, but I didn't put like a lot.
Then why'd you tell me not to salt the water?
Because I hate salted water. I lied.
I taste salt. Maybe let's try again.
Yeah, hold on, let me get like,
Let's try
mix it up a
to
little.
let's try to justify this debacle.
Debauchery.
Now I taste cheese and salt. Madison really didn't like her penne vodka, so she got up an orange.
It's a raspberry orange, it says.
I've never heard of that before.
I don't know if you can see it.
It just tastes like garlic and salt.
It does taste really garlicky. I think that's what it is. It's too much garlic.
I think we have too much garlic, but not enough onion because we burnt the onion.
I know what it is. I altered the recipe. So the onion was equal to the garlic and like everything else. You put shallot and onion in. I forgot to change the measurement on the shallot.
I've tasted your penne vodka before.
It is not like this.
No, but honestly, this is not the worst penne vodka I've had.
All right.
I'd give it like a 5. Usually your penne vodka is like a 9.
I think 5 is valid.
Yeah.
It's not like not edible. It's just not what
It's
we usually
just
make.
too garlicky.
It is. It really is.
Okay, if you love garlic, you would love this.
Yeah, honestly, if you love garlic, this would be like the best.
This doesn't even taste like pasta. It tastes like a plate of garlic in the most respectful way possible.
At some point, we just have to take everything you've edited out and just put it together.
We need to make a
In no
blooper.
order.
We're gonna do the water bowl challenge. It was the TikTok trend where there's a bowl of water and then you ask like one of your best friends questions, and if it's wrong, you dunk their head in. We made this video in July of 2023 and we got every single question wrong about each other, even though we've been like really good friends for so long.
Really good?
Best friends. She's mad at me now.
Why are you on the floor?
I fell down.
We have our bowl of water and we are doing our little challenge where we ask each other questions. Basically, all we're gonna do is dunk our heads in if it's wrong, and if it's right, nothing happens. So Madison's gonna go first.
And I put my hair in a funny bun.
What is my favorite donut from Dunkin' Donuts?
Strawberry frosted with sprinkles.
Okay.
What's my favorite color?
Purple.
As of right now, yes.
What was the first sport I ever played?
Soccer.
No.
What was the first sport I ever played?
Cheer. Nope. What was it?
Dance.
You were a dancer?
Yeah.
How's your face dry?
I just wiped it all over my mouth.
What is my brother's middle name?
Philip. Phil.
What is it? George.
How was I supposed to know that?
My grandpa's name.
All right. What's my middle name?
Louise. Your sister's is Mackenzie.
You knew. Okay.
I did know. What is my favorite sport when I first met you?
As in like play?
Yeah.
Gymnastics. What's my mom's middle name?
Sherry something Tansky. I didn't even I said something. I didn't think her name was something.
Oh, you get a free dunk. You can dunk me. What is it? Do you know? Oh, I just told you.
Just told me. I think it's Louise. What's my mom's middle name?
Marie.
Not even close.
What is it?
Lynn. This is 25 minutes long.
Of course it is. What's my favorite dessert? Number 1.
Cheesecake.
What?
Brownies.
Ice cream.
What is my dream vacation?
Greece.
Okay, in my head I was thinking Hawaii, but you're not wrong, so you're fine. Now we're gonna eat some breadsticks and watch The Thought of You, because apparently that's a very good rom-com.
Loved it. Oh
That's what it's called, right?
Yeah.
Madison just left. I had a really fun time, and I'm just going to quickly make my bed and just kind of like straighten up my room, because I literally have a suitcase on the floor, which is from my trip last year, which is so bad that I didn't unpack this. All the clothes are clean. I washed them when I came home from my trip, but I was at my boyfriend's house, so I repacked them, and then I was moving, so I was like, okay, it's justifiable to just leave them in here because I'm moving, so it'll be easy to transport them, and then I literally never opened it. So I'm doing that now because this needs to be cleaned out, and I'm going to make my bed and just tidy up my room.